Well, getting ready for graduations, family trips, and time spent away can be a little bit complicated for divorced or separated parents. This next Ask the Expert segment is sponsored by the Hafner Law Office. And joining me is family law attorney Mark Hafner. Mark, thanks for being here with us today.
Thank you for having me.
Of course. And before we dive in, tell us a little bit about you and your law office, the Hafner Law Office. What do you guys do?
Yes, my family specializes in family law only, so that's all we do, primarily divorce, modifications, child support, custody, things like that. So I'd like to think we're pretty good at it since this is what we do day in, day out.
Very specialized.
Very specialized, yes.
Right. And what makes you all different from other law firms that are in the area?
One of the things that kind of separates us from most other family law firms is our flat rate system that we've kind of developed. We can do a lot of things for a flat rate pricing because of a certain number of credits. You know, if your case is complicated, it can go over, but a lot of people, and for a lot of cases, we're able to go and say, it's going to cost this much, and we're able to generally get it done for that price. Which a lot of people like.
I know, right? It helps a little bit
Definitely.
when you're going through a difficult process like a separation or a divorce. And it's here. The weather is letting us know that it's graduation season. It's time for summer camps, summer vacations. What advice do you give to parents who have just recently been divorced or recently separated or are still kind of finding that happy medium when it comes to dealing with the kids during the summer months?
Sure. So the one thing that I always get this time of year is like graduations. If you're going to get 4 tickets, you get 2 and the other parent gets 2 tickets. You know, don't deprive the other parent or the child of having the other parent attend the graduation. Try and be nice, and communication is key. You know, make sure the other parent knows about games, practices, things like that. My suggestion, get something like a Google Calendar where you guys can both schedule things. You know, and at these games and practices, that's not a time for you guys to get into arguments or exchange information, things like that. You're there to support the child. And even if you're there with another child, say, you know, a lot of times you bring a sibling or something along, even if it is, you know, quote unquote, my time and they want to go sit with their dad or their mom, let them go do it, you know. Don't deprive the child of that. And don't get into an argument. It takes 2 to argue. That's not the time or place.
Take the high road, right?
Yeah. I mean, the thing that I always tell my clients is, does the love you have for your child outweigh the hate you have for the other parent?
That's a good way of thinking of it.
And, you know, if the other parent can't act mature enough and you need to feel, hey, we need to go do a modification or we need to try and limit this, that's when you call me. And there are things that we can do where we can put in orders, communication only in writing, things like that, if we need to go that route. But communication is key. And if it is your time and you're not going to be taking the child to a game or practice, say they're sick or you're going to be out of town, communicate that to the other parent. There's nothing worse than the other parent showing up, you know, to go to a game or practice and the child's not there and they're like, what's going on? And then they call their lawyer, and then you're paying me, and they're paying their lawyer a bunch of money.
It's just a mess.
Just because you guys didn't communicate. I'll take your money, but I want to earn it, and that's not earning it.
I love that.
So
It's really just about showing a united front for the kids and taking care of that, all the other stuff behind the scenes.
If you can communicate, do it as best as you can, and my recommendation, do it in writing whenever possible.
Well, Mark, thank you so much for this wealth of information. Communication is key if you do find yourself going through a divorce or if you're separated. And if you're interested in learning more about the Hafner Law Office, Mark even wrote a book. It's called Exit Strategy, and it's really about understanding and handling your Missouri divorce. You can also give them a call or just visit the Hafner Law Office at flatratedivorces.com. They really do pride themselves on this flat rate system. So go ahead, Mark and his team will absolutely take care of you. Give them a call at 314-200-6101, or again, you can head to their website, flatratedivorces.com. They have several free documents there for you to fill out, and they will absolutely help you decide whether or not to hire them. Don't forget, you can request that complimentary copy of the book. We'll also post all of this information on our website. It's studiostl.tv.